A box contains 3 red marbles and 2 white marbles. A marble is drawn and replaced 3 times from the box. The probability that exactly 1 red marble is drawn is. Here this is replacement question. So you should apply both combination and permutation. That is, you should apply both selection and arrangement. Here exactly 1 red marble is our outcome. After this 3 replacement, which means 1 red plus 2 white is our outcome. Here replacement concept is we have 3 red and 2 white marbles inside the box. Now, if you take any one of this marble outside, consider you are taking red outside. Now, after you taking it outside, you put it back to the box again. And for the second time, you cannot choose red again because exactly 1 red is our outcome. You already chose 1 red. Now, you can choose white. So, if you take white outside, again you put it back to the box. Again you are taking 1 more white. Again you are putting it back to the box. So this is the replacement concept. So after this 3 replacement you have 3 outcomes and all these 5 marbles are inside the box as well. Now probability of getting red is equal to, there are 3 red and total 3 plus 2 5 marbles. So 3 by 5. Probability of getting white marble is equal to total 2 white out of total 5 marbles, 2 by 5. Now probability of getting 1 red exactly is equal to, here we don't know which one you take it outside first. Either you can take red or you can take white outside. Consider you are taking red outside. So probability is 3 by 5. Again you are taking white outside. So 2 by 5. Again taking white. So 2 by 5 again. Here probability of white will not change because this is replacement. But this is not our answer. This is just selection of 3 marbles. Now you have to arrange these 3 marbles as well because we don't know the order of these 3 marbles. You may take red for the first time or in the second time or in the third time. We don't know the order. So this arrangement of these 3 marbles can be done in 3 factorial ways. But here 2 white is repeating. So divide it with 2 factorial. So 3 factorial by 2 factorial is equal to 3 ways. So arrangement of these 3 marbles can be done in 3 ways. So multiply the selection of this 3 marbles with arrangement of this 3 marbles, which is equal to 4 into 9 36 divided by 5 cube 125. So option B is your answer. Here this is the arrangement of 3 marbles.